Good morning, dear children. Children, today's English work you will do in your workbook Cursive for Juniors Phono Words. So, open your workbook to page number 76. This is page number 76. Firstly, you will write down the date here in this corner. Then you will read the instructions. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks to make sentences. Okay, children? You have done this kind of exercise earlier. Number 1, he, is, is, a. This is the picture of a cop. And you will write here C-O-P, cop. And there is full stop. It is already there. And same sentence you will write in the second row. He is a cop. He is a cop and full stop. Now read second sentence. The, this is the picture of a tad, or you can say this is the picture of a toy. So write the spelling of toy here. T-O-Y, toy, is on a cot. C-O-T, cot. And full stop is already there. So sentence was the toy is on a cot. So you will write the same sentence here in the next row. T-H-E, the, T-O-Y, toy, I-S is, O-N, on, a, cot. Okay. Now put a full stop here. The toy is on a cot. Okay. Now number 3. The, this is the picture of a fox. So write here spelling of fox. F-O-X, fox. Now I-S is, O-N, on, a, box. B-O-X, box. The fox is on a box. The sentence is the fox is on a box. Same sentence you will write in the next row. T-H-E, the fox is on a box. The fox is on a box. Full stop. Now read the fourth sentence. This is the picture of a fish. So you will write here fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. The fish is in a pot. This is the picture of a pot. It's a clay pot. P-O-T, pot. Full stop. Write the same sentence. A fish is in a pot. Children, you should keep 1 finger distance between 2 words. Okay? Like this. Now, after writing this sentence, we will put the full stop. Now read the fifth sentence. T-H-I-S, this, I-S is, this is a top. So this is a top. This is a picture of a top. So you will write here top. Top is a toy. Okay. After completing the sentence, put a full stop. In this page, we have written the sentences of U sound. Okay, children. Now we will do the exercise of page number 77. See this? Here in this page you will write the word of UB, UB sound, and UG, UG sound. U says A, B says ba, UB, U says A, G says ga, UG, UG sound words. But firstly you will write date here in this box. See, this is the picture of a cub. Cub is the baby of a lion. Okay, cub is the baby of a lion. Read the spelling of cub. C-U-B, cub. I am tracing this word in cub. C-U-B, cub. Here, C says ka, U says a, B says ba, ka, aba, cub. ka, a, ba, cub. Ka, a, ba, cub. We have written ka, a, ba, cub, cub, cub in this whole column. Fine. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a tub and this is the spelling of tub. T says ta, U says a, B says ba, ta, a, ba, tub. Now trace it here. Ta, a, ba, tub. T-U-B, tub. Okay. Ta, a, ba, tub we have written in this whole column. Okay. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a bug. B says ba, U says a, G says ga. Ba, a, ga, bug. Okay. Now trace it here. Trace the word bug here. B says ba, U says a, G says ga. Ba, a, ga, bug. Ba, a, ga, bug. Ba, aga, bug. See children, I have written ba, aga, bug in this whole column. See the next picture. This is the picture of a jug. Okay. So read the spelling of jug. J says ja, U says a, G says ga. Ja, aga, jug. Now trace the word jug here. J says ja, U says a, G says ga. Ja, aga, jug. Ja, aga, jug. Ja, a, ga, jug. Okay. I have written the word jug here in this whole column. So we have done the exercises of page number 76 and 77. Now turn the page. That is page number 78 and on this page we will write na, unsound word. U-N, unwords. Okay. Firstly you will write down date here in this corner. Then see the picture. This is the picture of a bun. Ba, a, na, bun. Ba, a, na, bun. I have written ba, a, na, bun here in this whole column. Okay. Now see the next picture. See, children are doing fun here in the pool. So read the spelling of fun. F says fa, U says a, N says na. Fa, a, na, fun. Now trace the word fun here. Fa, a, na, fun. F-U-N, fun. Fa, a, na, fun. Fa, a, na, fun. F-U-N, fun. See children, I have written the word fun here in this whole column. Fine. Now see the next picture. This boy is running here. The word run is written here. So you have to write the word run here. R says ra, U says a, N says na. R says ra, U says a, N says na. Run. Run. R says ra, U says a, N says na. Run. See children, I have written the word run in this whole column. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a sun. So write the spelling of sun. S says sa, U says a, N says na. Sa, a, na, sun. Sa, a, na, sun. Okay. Again trace it here. Sa, a, na, sun. Sa, a, na, sun. See children, I have written the word sun in this whole column. Now we have done the work on the page number 78. Now we'll do the work on the next page, on page number 79. And on this page we will write the word with up sound and ut sound. U says a, P says pa, up. U says a, T says ta, ut. Up and ut sound words we will write in this page. Okay. This is the picture of a cup. So read the spelling of cup. C says ka, U says a, P says pa, ka, a, pa, cup. Now trace this word here. C says ka, U says a, P says pa, ka, a, pa, cup. C says ka, U says a, P says pa, ka, a, pa, cup. I have written the word cup in this whole column. Fine. See the next picture. This is the picture of a pup. It's a short form of puppy. You know, pup is the baby of a dog. Now read the spelling of pup. P says pa, U says a, P says pa, pup. P says pa, U says a, P says pa, pup. I have written the word pup in this whole column. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a walnut. And what is written here? Here is written nut. N says na, U says a, T says ta. Na ata nut. Now trace this word here. Na a ta nut. Okay? Na a ta nut. I have written the word nut here in this whole column. Fine. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a hut. Read the spelling of hut. H says ha, U says a, T says ta. Ha ata hut. Now trace this word here. H says ha, U says a, T says ta. Ha ata hut. H says ha, U says a, T says ta. Ha ata hut. H says ha, U says a, T says ta. Ha ata hut. See children, I have written the word hut in this whole column. Now I have completed the work on the page number 79 too. Children, you can do 2 pages in a day because here are 4 pages. So you can divide these pages in 2 days. Okay? While writing, you will speak the word loudly and learn all the words of these 4 pages. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.